If you're trying to figure out how you make money off of your skills, I'm going to go through the 6 ways right now. And after each one, I'm going to then break down how I would get started with those 6 ways to start making money from your skills. So let's get into it. Number one would be freelancing. Number two would be SWAS, software with a service. Three, templates. Four, consulting. Five, knowledge as a service. And six, courses. Okay, let's break down each one at a time. Freelancing, what is it? Well, freelancing just means that you can do gig work. You can go out and people can hire you for one single job if they want to, or continually on a rolling basis, whatever you want. But here's the thing, you can get started very easily using sites like Fiverr or Upwork or Guru, depending on what you're great at. Let's give an example about Fiverr. Fiverr is a place where people can find you as a freelancer, and it can be really niche. For example, I put in ChatGPT. Here, you can see different ones offering their services of either coaching people, creating chatbots, and the list goes on just by freelancing on Fiverr.com. And if you want to see a list of all different types of jobs you could be doing, just go through the different things: graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, and the list goes on and on. That's just one way that you can be doing it. Freelancing. And what I like about sites like this is you have to present yourself, but the more you do this, the more credibility, people are going to write reviews about you, and then you can really scale your operations. You can do the same thing with Upwork. I've been seeing people create six-figure and above businesses just using sites just like that. In the comment section down below, let me know. Are you freelancing? Have you decided to start freelancing? Let me know. Now, here's another thing that people don't talk about at all, and that's software with a service. What is that, first of all? Well, software with a service means you can learn a software, you can offer or render a service using that software like MailChimp, ConvertKit, whatever you want, but also you can offer to have them sign up using your affiliate. Now, what is an affiliate? Or an affiliate link can be where you refer someone to a product, they buy it, and you make a percentage of the sale. That's really good with software, because if you're in certain programs, you could be making money every single month and helping them at the same time. You could be looking like this girl right now if you use SWAS. This is what we do when we're using things like Podia, ConvertKit, and the list goes on. You can really do this if you're a master at a very specific software. And then if people want to use you, you can always suggest them, or you can say, I only work with clients if they sign up using my affiliate code. So that way you're making a residual income every time you're working with them. And even if you're working with them for a month and then they say, okay, I've got it from here, you can continually make a revenue source by them using your affiliate code. So that's software with a service. Number three would be templates. Now, this is an example. Shout out to Roberto Blake. He has AI creator prompts. Now, think about this for a moment. If you're really good at something, you can just sell a template so people can just benefit from this. For example, here he's showing you for creators how you can use ChatGPT better. And instead of just offering a course or having him do it for you, he's offering the best prompts that you can take advantage of it. And right here it says get 100 creator prompts for $9.99. So it's a low barrier offer, but he can be making money every single time someone just buys his template. It's a low lift for him. He doesn't have to do a lot of work after creating this once, and now it's scalable. He can go out there and sell it. Likewise for yourself, if you're a graphic designer, if you're great at using Notion, anything really, think about ways that you can create a template for people to just buy. And then that way, if they're not ready to hire you as a freelancer, they can just use your template over and over again, and you can be making money that way. For examples of this, check out gumroad.com. You can see tons of people selling templates. People sell Notion templates all the time. People make up to 7 figures just selling Notion templates. And you can do the same thing with Coda and other type of templates. So that's number three. Now, number four could be consulting. Consulting is huge because, say, for instance, you've spent a lot of time freelancing and people know you, but you just don't want to do the work. You rather coach or consult with them doing the work, and you could have just a one-time consulting, or you could have a several series of consulting. You can decide that's another option for you if you want to get paid this way. For us, we do this with Brand Factory. We have a strategy call that we offer, and it's consulting. We meet once a month, and then we go from there. For example, you can see right here we use this link: strategy call, supercharge your business. Let's start transforming your business. I do this by showing you how to scale your operations, maximize efficiency, and break through your revenue goals. So if there's someone that's not ready for other of my offerings or anything like that, it's a one-time thing. We can do consulting, and then if we're working with startups, it's a different structure. It's a longer period of time. But again, we're not in the business working on the day-to-day, but we're just consulting to teach them what they need to be doing with their business. And we offer consulting calls like that. There's a link down below if you want a consulting call from me or see an example how you could be doing the same exact thing. Now, now that we've seen that, we can think about for a moment, where do you need help with this? Are you struggling with this? Are you trying to do this for yourself? Let me know in the comment section down below to let us know what you're trying to do with your business. And if you're trying to save time and make more money, we actually have a resource guide down below that you can take advantage of that's free. All right, let's take a look at number 5, and that is CAS. That is knowledge as a service. Now, you can be doing this a couple different ways. We do this with our business by offering something called Doc Stocks, where people can actually literally have all the things that I work on a weekly, monthly basis, all of those different things, and you're just paying for this. And it's a Notion document. It's you can see a link down below if you want to buy Doc Stocks, but this is what you can be doing. You're selling knowledge as a service. But what about some other examples of this? If we look at getcyberleads.com, that's essentially what they're doing. In fact, it says 1,000 handpicked companies that just raised millions are looking to outsource in your inbox every single month. So here, this is for digital agencies trying to get new clients, and they're getting access to a database. If you look at this at the back in the day, they were using just Airtable. You're just getting access to Airtable. And look at what they're charging per month. So they have a free plan where you're just getting 10 leads, or you get up to 1,000 leads. It's $297 a month, and then it's done for you. You have a whole other tier where they're charging you $3,000 a month. Look at what's possible just by having a database that you can be selling information. Yeah, if you're looking at this, this is just an Airtable. People are segmenting, and people get access to. So you could be doing that for your own profession. What you could be selling as knowledge as a service. And the last thing that you can be doing is selling a course. Now, a course takes a lot more work, but you can be doing this, and you can be having different tiers where people get to look at all of your different courses one by one, or you could bundle them. For example, a shout out to Elizabeth. She's great. I've bought a lot of her different courses. I love what she has. And she has a tier system of different courses that she sells at different price points, from $47, $9, $97, $497, or all of them, which would be about 5,500, right? And that's part of her membership as well. So that's the power. You can have so many different styles of ways to make money for you, but you've got to think about your skill, where you want to start, and then decide on a plan how you start expanding. You don't have to pick all 6 right now. Pick one at a time to be able to scale. If you want to see examples of the software that I would use to build these different 6 ways to make money off of your skills, let me know in the comment section down below. We might do a video on that later on. And again, start with one way to make money from your skills and then expanding from there. I'll see you in the next video.